6
Number
questions
1.
from my civics test,
Under our
N400
Constitution,
interview.
some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Answer. Provide schooling and education. Number 2. How many amendments that the Constitution have? Answer. 27. Number 3. Who make federal laws? Answer. Congress. Number 4. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Answer. Civil rights movement. Number 5. When was the Constitution written? Answer. 1787. And number 6. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Answer. July 4th. So I answered all 6 of the questions and she stopped.